If you're experiencing FPS drops while playing Roblox, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance. Step 1. Lower graphics settings. Access the Roblox settings menu and reduce the graphics quality. Lowering the graphics settings can significantly improve FPS by reducing the load on your system. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Roblox to run more smoothly. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 4. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting prioritizes performance over energy savings, which can help improve FPS during gameplay. Step 5. Check internet connection. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for online gaming. Make sure you are connected to a reliable network and consider using a wired connection for better stability. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Roblox FPS. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.